Good morning, students. Our today's chapter is linear equations in one variable, and topic is solutions of the questions of exercise 2.5. Today, I am going to show the solutions of question number 7, 8, 9 and 10 of exercise 2.5. Before we shall go to the topic, let us know some rules, that is useful rules for solution of this type of the question. First of all, we will remove brackets. Thereafter, while removing brackets, multiply two terms by observing the following rules. They are sign into sign. Here I have already mentioned minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, plus into plus plus, what you have already got in the previous classes. Numeral into numeral. For example, 3x square into 4x to the power 3. Here 3 and 4 are the numeral factors, and therefore we will multiply 3 and 4. 3 4 is 12. Thereafter variable into variable. Means x square into x to the power 3. X square into x to the power 3 equal to x to the power 5. Simplify LHS and RHS to their simplest form. Thereafter transpose all variable terms on the LHS and all constant terms to the RHS by changing the sign and simplify them to the simplest form AX equal to B. Divide both sides by the coefficient of the variable term. Now I am going to solve solution of question number 7. Question is 3 into within bracket t minus 3 equal to 5 into within bracket 2t plus 1. First of all, we will remove the bracket, and you already know how to remove bracket. Here we will remove. How we will remove? Plus into plus plus, 3 into 1, 3 and 3. Plus into minus minus, 3 into 3, 9. 5 plus into plus plus, 5 into 2, 10, t plus into plus plus, and this is 5. Here we will write opening the brackets. Now on LHS there are two terms, one term is variable, one term is constant. Similarly on RHS two terms, 10t which is variable, this is constant. And we will write all variable on left hand side and all constants on right hand side. So let us transport 10t from RHS to LHS. 3t minus 10t equal to 5 plus 9. Transposing t to LHS and 9 to RHS. Now let us simplify LHS. 3t minus 10t equal to minus 7t and 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Here we will divide both sides by the coefficient of t, that is minus 7. Minus 7t by minus 7 equal to 14 by minus 7, dividing both sides by minus 7. We get t equal to minus 2, which is the required solution. Now question number 8. Solution: 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equal to 0. Once again I am going to check the question. 15 into y minus 4, 2 into y minus 9 and plus 5 into y plus 6 equal to 0. Whenever you write question from book and you will check the second time also, because while writing some mistake may be there. And now I am going to open the bracket. 15 into y, 15y, plus into minus, minus, 15 into 4, 60, minus into plus, minus 2y, minus into minus, plus 18, 2, 9, 18, plus into plus, plus 5y, plus into plus, plus 30 equal to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms on LHS and only 0 constant on the RHS. So let us write all variable terms together here. 15y minus 2y plus 5y. And now I am going to write all constant terms on RHS by transposing to RHS. 60 minus 18 minus 30. Transposing 60, 18 and 32 RHS. Now we will simplify LHS and RHS, and 15y plus 5y is equal to plus 20y minus 2y, and here 60 minus 48, because minus 18 and minus 30 is equal to minus 48. Here we will write opening the brackets. Opening the brackets. 20 minus 2. 20 minus 2 is equal to 18y. 20y minus 2y equal to 18y, and 60 minus 48 is equal to 12. We will divide both sides by 18. 18y by 18 equal to 12 by 18. Dividing both sides by 18. 18 and it cancel, and we can reduce to the lowest form here. 6 to the 12 and 6 3 the 18. Therefore y is equal to 2 by 3, which is the required solution. Which is the required solution. Now I am going to question number 9. 9 number question. Solution: 3 into 5 z minus 7 minus 2 into 9 z minus 11 equal to 4 into 8 z minus 13 minus 17. Here, first of all, I am going to open the bracket. Plus into plus plus, 3 5 the 15, z 7 3 the 21, 2 9 the 18 z, minus into minus plus, 2 into 11 22, 4 into 8 32, z 4 3 13 the 52 minus 17. Here write opening the brackets. Now let us simplify LHS and RHS to their simplest form. 15z minus 18z. 15z minus 18z minus 21 plus 22 equal to 32z minus 52 and minus 17 equal to 69. Here 15z minus 18z is equal to minus 3z, and minus 21 plus 22 is equal to plus 1. This is 32z minus 69. And whenever you will simplify, you will concentrate and here this is a variable term, constant term, this is constant term, so this variable term will be transposed from RHS to LHS, this constant from LHS to RHS. Minus 3z minus 32z minus 69 minus 1 transposing 1 to RHS and 32z to LHS, and minus 3z minus 32z minus 35z, and here minus 69 minus 1 minus 70. We can multiply, otherwise we can change this sign. We can multiply both sides by minus 1, otherwise we can divide both sides by minus 35. Now let us divide minus 35, both sides by minus 35. Minus 70 by minus 35, dividing both sides by minus 35, we get z minus minus cancel and 35 to the 70, which is the required solution. Now I am going to show the last question. Therefore z is equal to 2 is the required solution. Number solution 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Here I am going to express this decimal number, rational number in the form P by Q, and you already know how to express 0.25 in the form P by Q. Here we can write 25 by 100 because this number is up to 2 decimal places, that's why you write 25 by 1 followed by 20, that is 100. 4f minus 3. And after decimal point there are 2 digits, that's why you write 5 by 100 once again here, 10f minus 9. Now LCM of 100 and 100 equal to 100. Multiply both sides by 100, we get 100 into 25 by 100 into 4f minus 3, 100 into 5 by 100 into 10f minus 9. 100 cancel, this 100 cancel. Now 25 into 4f minus 3 equal to 5 into 10f minus 9. Now let us open the bracket. 25 into 400, f, 25 into 3 75, 5 into 10 50, f, and 5 into 9 45. opening the brackets. Here once again we will observe the LHS and RHS. LHS has two terms, RHS has two terms. This is variable, and that's why this variable will be transposed to LHS. 100F minus 15F equal to minus 45 plus 75. Transposing 50F to LHS and 75 to RHS. 100 minus 50 is equal to 50F minus 45 plus 75 equal to 30. Divide both sides by 50 here. This is F equal to 30 by 50. Here write dividing both sides by 50. Therefore, F is equal to 0.6, which is the required solution. Today only this much. See you in the next class for the rest. Thank you.